Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Second Math Hub, the solution to your math problems. We are still solving past questions on core mathematics. This is Wassce 2024, theory question number 13. So we have a table here, and this table shows the height. And then the height was measured in meters of 30 selected buildings in a town. So from the table, we have to find the mean height of the building. That is the A. And then for B, we have to calculate correct to one decimal place the I, median height, and then II, the mean deviation. So let's start with the A part, the mean height. So we have just transferred the information on the table in this format, in the column form. So as you can see, the heights here have been written down in the same order, and these are the number of buildings, which is also the same as the frequency. So now, the A part, we have to find the mean height of the building. So to find the mean height, we need to multiply the frequency and x. So let's start. Fx. So Fx means we are multiplying the frequency and the x. We know that the height here represent the x column, and then the number of buildings also represent the frequency. So let's start. 9 times 5, that is 45. Then 10 times 4, this will give us 40. 11 times 6, this should give us 66. And then 12 times 5, 60. 13 times 6, 78. And then lastly, 14 times 4, 56. So now, the next thing we do is to find summation F. Summation F here means we should sum up all the numbers under the frequency column. So summation F. Now for this particular question, the summation F has been given because we were told that there are 30 selected buildings. So meaning that when we sum up the numbers at the frequency column, it should give us 30. So we can also verify. We can verify. Now, summation Fx. So let's start. 45 plus 40 plus 66 plus 60 plus 78 plus 56. So the summation Fx. Take a look. Summation Fx means that we are summing up all the numbers under the Fx column. And this is giving us 345. So with this, we should be able to calculate the mean. A. So we know that the formula for calculating the mean is giving us summation Fx divided by summation F. So we can do the substitution. We know summation Fx as 345, and then summation F is 30. So finally, 345 divided by 30. So the mean height is 11.5 meters. That is the mean height, 11.5 meters. Now B. So for B, we have two sub questions, BI and then BII. So let's start with BI. You have to find the median. and we know that the median will be half of the total frequency. So median will be halfway between summation f. That will be halfway of the summation f. So we can do the substitution. We know that the summation f here is 30. Summation f is 30. So now what does this mean? Half of 30, that is 15. Now take note. Because the summation f here is an even number, it means that we will have two numbers as the median. Two numbers will be at the center. For example, if I ask you to find the median of 5, 6, 7, and then 8, that is the middle number. So you can see that because this is an even number, 4 is an even number, we have two numbers at the middle. So as you can see, we have 15 different, we have, 30 different buildings. We have 30 different buildings. So that means that we will have two buildings as the median. So we can conclude that the median will be located at the 15th and the 16th position. 15th and then the 16th position. So now, how do we identify the 15th and the 16th position? So let's start summing up the frequencies. So 5 plus 4, that is 9, representing the 9th position, and then 9 plus 6, that is 15. So meaning that when we trace to the height of the building, 11 will be for the 15th position, and then 12 will be for the 16th position. And because we have two numbers, to find the median will be the arithmetic mean of these two numbers, or in this case, the arithmetic mean of the two buildings. So this is the 15th, this is the 15th, and the 16th position. Take notes. So let's find the arithmetic mean of 11 and 12. So to find the arithmetic mean of 11 and 12, what do? We sum up the two numbers and divide by 2. So what is 11 plus 12? 11 plus 12 will give us 23. So 23 divided by 2. 23 divided by 2. This should give us 11. This should give us 11.5 meters. So that is the median height, 11.5 meters. So that is for BI. Now finally, the last one, BII. We also to find the mean deviation. Find the mean deviation. So how then do we find the mean deviation? So can we record the formula for finding the mean deviation? Now we know that the mean deviation is equal to summation f of absolute x minus the mean, all divided by summation f. So this formula should guide us to complete the remaining columns. So we have our summation f. So now let's start with what is inside the absolute sign. We have x minus the mean. So we mean that we need to create a column for x minus mean. So let's quickly do that with the help of our calculator. So this is our x, and we had our mean to be 11.5. So here we have 9 minus 11.5. Let me use this. This should give us negative 2.5. Now the next one, 10 minus 11.5. That is the mean. This should give us negative 1.5. And then 11 minus 11.5. This should give us negative 0.5. And then 12 minus 11.5. Positive 0.5. 13 minus 11.5. Positive 1.5. No, positive, yes. This should give us positive 1.5, okay. And then 14 minus 11.5. This should give us positive 2.5. Positive 2.5. Now, we also need to find the absolute value of x minus mean. So absolute value of x minus the mean. So what is the absolute value of negative 2.5? Positive 2.5, positive 1.5, positive 0.5, 0.5, 1.5, and then 2.5. And then lastly, the last column should be f multiplying absolute value of x minus mean. So f multiplying x minus the mean. So let's quickly do that with the help of our calculator. Let's do that. So the first one. So it means we are multiplying the frequency by the absolute value of x minus mean. So the first one, 5 multiplying 2.5. So we have 12.5. Now the next one, 4 multiplying 1.5. 6. 6 multiplying 0.5. That should give us 3. 5 multiplying 0.5. 2.5. Then 6 multiplying 1.5. 9. And then 4 multiplying 2.5. This is 10. This is 10. So now let's find summation f of absolute x minus v. What does that mean? It means that we need to sum up all the numbers under the f multiplying absolute value of x minus v. So there's no space here. Let me write it here. Summation f of absolute x minus v. So let's quickly compute that. 12.5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2.5 plus 9 plus 10. This is giving us 43. 43. So with this, you can just substitute this into the mean deviation formula. Summation f multiplying absolute x minus mean. Have 43 divided by summation f. Summation f is 30. So finally, what is the mean deviation? The mean deviation, 43 divided by 30. Have 1.433. This is a recurring decimal. But don't forget that we are asked to correct our answer to one decimal place. So you can conclude that the mean deviation of this data is 1 point. So this is the first decimal place, 4. 3 is less than 5, so that should give us 1.4. That is the mean deviation, 1.4. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our video. Thanks for watching.